Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your screen layout on your Android phone. So let's say, I don't know, for whatever reason you create a bunch of stuff on here and you have a bunch of widgets and stuff and you want to delete everything and just reset it back to normal. Go to settings, scroll on down to apps, locate apps here, and then look for One UI. One UI, home. So here's MN. Okay, here we go. And here's One UI home. Go to this, scroll on down to storage. Find storage, wherever that is. I pass it and I know it's here. Go to clear data. Go to delete. Now this is going to delete your home screen and reset it back to normal. Then go back home and you're going to see everything load and it's back to the way it was. So I didn't change mine at all, so nothing changed. So this is what the default layout looks like, and this is how your phone should look like now. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.